Factorize 3x squared minus 7x plus 4 is equals to 0. Now, to factorize, the first step, you have to get the product between this number and this number. That is 3x squared multiplied by 4. We get 12x squared. The next step is to get the multiples of this number. How do we get the multiples of 12x squared? Now, to get the multiples of 12x squared, we need to find the prime factors of 12x squared. Now, prime factors are the numbers which are only divisible by themselves. Now, the smallest prime factor that goes into 12 is 2. 2 goes into 12 how many times? 6x squared. The next smallest prime factor that goes into 6 is 2. 2 goes into 6x squared how many times? 3x squared. Now, the next prime factor is 3. 3 goes into 3x squared how many times? X squared times. Now, to get the prime factors, we start with this number. If we start with this number, it means we have to multiply with 2 and 3. So we shall have 2 multiplied by 2 times 3 is 6. 2 multiplied by 6, we get 12. Remember, I left x squared without finding its prime factors. What we do is just assign an x here and x here so that we complete this x squared. So 2x multiplied by 6x, we get 12x squared. The next prime factor, you take this 2. 2 times 3 is 4. So 4, then remember to add an x, multiplied by what is remaining is 3. So it is 3x. The next, you take the whole of this 2 times 3. That is 12. 12x squared multiplied by what is remaining is 1. So add this x, you have 12x times x. We get 12x squared. Remember, negative 2x multiplied by negative 6x, we also get 12x squared. Negative 4x multiplied by negative 3x, we get 12x squared. And then negative 12x multiplied by negative x, we get 12x squared. Now, these are the possible multiples of 12x squared. Out of these multiples, choose 2 that when you add this and this, we are able to get this number. So sorry for the poor circling. We are able to get this number, negative 7x. Now, consider if you add this, it is 8x squared, 8x, this is 7x, this is 13x, we don't need those. This is negative 8x, this is negative 7x, this is what we need. So the multiples of 12x squared that we need is negative 4x multiplied by negative 3x. We get 12x squared. So that's it. Now, once you've done that, factorization becomes simpler. Now we have our equation 3x squared minus 7x plus 4 is equals to 0. Okay. Now, introduce our table. Make sure that each figure goes with the sign in front of it. So like this, so that each figure is going with the sign in front of it. Now we know what is negative 7x. Negative 7x is negative 4x and negative 3x. Now find the number, this side and this side. When you multiply, you get negative 4x. Now suppose I took negative 4 this side. I only need x this side. So x times negative 4, I get negative 4x. Now this x I've taken out of this 3x squared. So this remaining of 3x squared, divide this by that, you will see that what is remaining is 3x. This negative 4, I've taken it out of positive 4. Now what is remaining when I take negative 4? What is remaining is negative 1. So multiply this and this, you get this. Multiply this and this, you get that. Add this and this, you get that. Multiply this and this, you get that. So factorization is complete. Now draw diagonals on the second row, like this, to the third row, like that. So we have x minus 1 in these brackets. Do another diagonal like this. We have 3x minus 4 is equals to 0. Factorization is complete.